Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So tonight is going to be the night that we're going to start putting the wide body on the car, and with we, I mean of course Job and me, and don't mind the Supra over there. Yeah, who else? Because nobody else wants to help me. You're still just helping me, so I fix your Skyline, but we'll just ignore that. No, that's not true.
I bought you Spider-Man.
That's not true. Yeah, he's very kind actually, because he bought me this. He went to Disneyland in Paris and he bought me this keychain. I wanted Iron Man, but they didn't have it, and Spider-Man is my second favorite, so thank you. But we're gonna start with the wide body, and we're gonna start in the front because that's the easy part, and then I think I'm gonna do the rest tomorrow. And we'll just see how far we get, and if it goes well, I think it will, because I already installed this wide body kit on Bauke's car, and it's actually the same, so shouldn't be that hard. I already marked where we're gonna cut it, and I'm gonna keep the little hole for the blinker, because with the MOT here I need that blinker, so I need to take off the wide body and put it back in. But that's okay, we're just gonna leave it there, and then we're gonna cut the rest, and then we can put that sucker on. So let's start cutting.
And even for the cameraman who's sitting right beside the grinder, safety first.
Put your welding helmet on.
I don't have that with me right now.
Yeah, you do. Just pinch.
Oh, that's right.
Doing it with Clico clips because I don't have them and they're expensive. And with taking off the little piece that I cut out, I actually scratched the fender, and it's not completely under the over fender, so there's a scratch right there. Right?
Mount them even higher.
Yeah, that should solve the problem.
They're pretty high up as it is, so.
Yeah, they are. I thought I was making a mistake, but you can't really make a mistake because it's just fit up to the headlight and down here, so it's not that I made a mistake.
Do you also have the little bumper pieces?
Yeah, I do.
Nice.
Don't know where right now. I think on the big pile. You can look for them if you want.
Let's have a look. Come with me, guys. I think it's these. Let's go fit it.
Those are the back ones.
Oh, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
Where did it go?
The back ones. So like this.
Ah, okay, back to the pile. Must be, yeah, I think these then? Is it this one? Okay.
These ones are a bit strange. Yeah, you got them for that side.
Fuck's sake. Back to the pile. Where is it? Ah, here it is. Clean up aisle 9, please.
Pile 9.
Pile 9.
Yeah, they go like this.
Unpainted, it looks a bit silly.
It doesn't look too bad. The blue and white doesn't look too bad, but Bauke's car is gray and the body kit is black, and they got a black trunk and a damaged hood, so that car looks really weird.
Yeah, but that's a drift car and this is supposed to be a daily car.
Yeah, but in the future there's gonna be a CBS livery on this, so it's gonna be completely white and a really cool livery on the top, on the side, on the roof. Everywhere is going to be decals. And that's going to be really cool because this is the first official CBS Racing body kit. So I got the first one, number 1 of 1, and it's going on this piece of shit.
Yeah, I mean, the body kit looks a lot nicer than the car itself.
Fixed.
Yeah, do that.
No, it's gonna have new bumpers and a new rear bumper, new skirts, but that's not really necessary right now. And we need to do the body kit to get MOT.
That's not mounted properly, man.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
It's fine.
It's a drift car. It's already got drift stitches.
No, it's not a drift car. It's a daily drifter. It's a different thing.
No, it's not.
Nissan is gonna be not a real drift car. I'm gonna drift it, but it's a fun.
It's a fun weekend drift car, and this will be a
drift car,
fun daily drift car.
Daily drift car.
So you're basically just building drift cars.
Yeah.
You've heard it here first. He's basically Adam LZ without money, without the skill to drift, or without cool cars.
Or without the mustache.
Yeah. So you're basically not Adam LZ at all.
No, and I'm not Jimmy Oaks like we. Oh no, that's the next video. Damn.
Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert.
Are you gonna get a spoiler for this?
Yeah.
No, spoiler alert. Ducktail.
Ducktail, duckbill, whatever you want to call it. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that. It looks sick, and I'm gonna do a ducktail bill on the S13. So then I'm gonna have 2 wide body cars with the ducktail and the CBS livery that looks the same. So that's gonna be a really cool driveway in the future. But I still have that big drift wing, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it on the Nissan or on this.
Is this wide enough to fit it?
No.
Shorten
The
it.
wing is wider than this.
Shorten
Or
it.
just widen the car.
I know, but will it be wide enough then?
Maybe.
Oh, let's put it on a Micra.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not even gonna get home. You got too much downforce. You're not gonna move.
Fair enough.
The fenders are finally on, and it looks pretty nice. And we're gonna call it a day because tomorrow morning we're going to a clearance sale, I think. Yeah, I think clearance sale. So a company here in the Netherlands that sells aftermarket parts for every tuning car that you can think of is having a sale because they're moving, so they need to get rid of a lot of stuff, and you can even talk the price down a little bit. So we're just gonna have a look, and maybe there are some cool stuff that he still needs for the Skyline or I still need for the S chassis, and maybe we'll pick something up, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It's gonna be fun anyway. And after that, I'm gonna be continuing on the back of the IS, putting the wide body on the back, and then I can show you the complete wide body. It's the next morning. The camera died on me yesterday, but I'm on my way to pick Bobby up, and then we're going to that car tuning place sale thingy, and I'm gonna surprise him because he thinks I'm taking the Punto, and clearly I'm not in the Punto. I'm in the Nissan. So I think he's gonna be surprised. I thought it was a good excuse to take the Nissan when we're going to a tuner sale. So let's surprise you. What do you think of my Punto?
It's a weird looking Punto.
It's a cool Punto, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hear my camshafts, man. It really sounds like I'm driving it. It really sounds like a diesel.
Yeah.
But when we put the exhaust open, give it a little. Sounds good.
Yeah. Stupid.
It's so obnoxious.
I love it.
Blonde rubber.
The smell of tires in the morning.
Smell of tires in the morning. Nothing
Breakfast of champions.
better. Coffee and tire smell.
Caffeine and machine.
That was really bad, man.
That's what they call it in Britain.
Caffeine machine.
In Britain they call it that.
Oh,
It's cars and coffee, but there's a place where they have cars and coffee and it's called caffeine machine.
Caffeine machine. Nice. The whole store is a bust. It's almost only Civic stuff and things like that, so nothing for S chassis or IS. But Job has got a Micra and we got this universal Ganador looking little shit things, and they're just 35 bucks. And we were looking if it was gonna fit, and actually the shape is exactly the same, and you even got the little notch here. So I think maybe these were made for a Micra and they just said that they were universal, but I think this is gonna fit pretty fine. So if I were you, I would take it, because your Micra is not just a daily. It's
like the meme riced out cool ass weird Micra.
It's kind of sick. So for 35 bucks, I would take it.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea.
I would take it. Yeah, I would do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go make a purchase.
Woo. What's the retail on one of those? It's not my car. Yeah. So you'll go.
20 minutes later.
Wait a second. What you doing there?
You told me to drive.
You like it?
It's cool.
You got a smile on your face.
Yeah.
Yeah. Enjoy it. Do you like the fitment?
I do.
They're good mirrors, man. They look kind of cool. Kind of M3 Ganador style. You got a fast Micra now. It's
Yeah.
officially fast.
It's got a lot of downforce just from this angle. Yeah.
You're gonna really feel that when you open your doors at 180.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Gives
Cool.
you a great adrenaline boost.
Just need to clean up a little bit.
Yeah, a lot of kit.
A little bit. But
Sealant.
sealant. We'll be fine. Looks cool.
Only the mounting is really sketchy.
Doesn't matter.
You used one screw and two washer rings.
Yeah.
Yes.
Professional
Big one and
mounting
small
is
one,
done.
Because the big one was too big.
And if they fall off.
Professional mounting. That's the only screw that's holding it in, and for the rest it's sealant.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine. We're back at CBS and now it's time to finish the rear of the wide body, and it's a lot of cutting and then a lot of twisting the fiberglass because the molds weren't perfect, I guess, because the lines don't really line up. So we have to force it into place and then rivet it on and hope it's straight. I hope it lines up. But let's start cutting first. This side is all cut up and sealed up, and I need to weld that later because today I don't have time to weld it, and that needs to be completely welded shut and all new metal because otherwise it's not getting MOT. But the top part is done. Now let's do the other side.
5 hours later.
And the wide body is completely on. Now I still need to do some welding because the rocker is completely gone over here and I need to close all that up, but the top is sealed and good. So just welding that and the other side. But I'm happy with the end result. Let's see how it looks. I think it looks really cool. I'm really happy with the end result, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna measure and order some spacers because I don't want to put on new wheels yet. Don't have the money for that, so we're gonna do spacers and OEM wheels. And I think I'm gonna paint the wide body blue so it matches the car before it gets delivery, because we don't know when that's gonna happen. And it looks kind of silly right now, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe down below, drop a like, and I'll see you guys at the next one. I don't know if I'm gonna do the duckbill, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of sprung head.
Oh no.
That's cool. Let's get the rivet in. Rivet. It's the sound of a frog. Rivet.